Welcome to day 39 of 90 days race challenge, and today we are going to discuss about the three main characteristics based on which we can determine the strength of a trend line. First is its angle of ascent or descent, based on which we can determine the angle of the trend line, whether it is 20 to 25 degrees, 40 to 45 degrees, or 70 to 75, or even 80 degrees, based on which we can determine the strength of that particular trend on the upside as well as on the downside. Second point is its length, how long that particular trend line is working either as a support or as a resistance. That will determine the strength of that trend line. And third is the number of time it has been touched. If that particular trend line has been touched twice or thrice in terms of support or resistance, then it is like a normal trend line. But if that particular trend line has been touched 6, 7, or even sometimes 8 or 9 times, either as a support or as a resistance, or sometimes support and then resistance, or sometimes resistance and then support, like change in polarity, that determines that particular trend line is very strong. So these are the three important characteristics based on which we can determine the strength of any of the trend line. What are your takeaways on this particular video? Make sure you comment below, and I'll see you tomorrow with some new concept.